like 198.
Hello, hello. Streaming live here. Switch windows here. Make sure we're good. Righty. A few people join here. This will be available afterwards. But we will get started here in a second.
Is it, I'm going to say,
Good.
is your email Bedford Township, that's the email? All right, go ahead and send that over.
Righty.
You're very welcome.
Righty.
That's all I was missing. How can I help you?
Phones are ringing off the hook here. Alrighty, well, welcome to our January Facebook Live event. We are live here at the Toledo shop. I'm standing in our showroom here. Pretty empty as of now. We just got done with the big rush, so calm before the next storm. But so yeah, I just wanted to touch base on a few things for everybody. We have a design studio that we announced not too long ago. Wanted to bring that to everybody's attention again because that has been a hot commodity and is doing well. I'm actually going to transition here, see if I can do a screen share for everybody. We have a design studio that we announced not too long ago. Wanted to bring that to everybody's attention again because that has been a hot commodity and is doing well. Actually going to transition here, see if I can. Yeah, so we are technical difficulties, but no worries. So yeah, the design studio has been a pretty cool option for people to come online, go right to our website, be able to design the t-shirts that they are envisioning and go through the whole process, order online, start to finish, design their t-shirt, place the order, and have it shipped or choose pickup right on our website. So pretty cool option if you want to take advantage of that. Lots of different pieces of art on there to use and use your creative ability. So check that out. The other thing I wanted to point out on this page at least is our review station. So we got this cool new station here with the service 4 and above. So we got an iPad here at our counter. You can just type in your phone number, links to our Google page, and you can write us a review and then receive a cool little gift right here on the spot. Has to do with coffee or food. I'll just tell you that, so not giving everything away, but yeah, so come on into our Toledo shop and write a review on our little iPad here, and you'll get a cool little reward. So check that out. The other thing I wanted to touch base on is our construction on the Milan store. I'm going to be doing a full update on that for the on the Milan Facebook page, so go ahead and like that and look out for that Facebook Live event probably tomorrow, hopefully. So check that out. I got some cool stuff going down there. You may have seen some posts if you are following that page already based on our demo that's going down there. Did some cool little drone footage out there. So if you haven't seen that, check that out, or be looking for the full update tomorrow. So well, that's all I got for today. Just wanted to touch base with everybody. So we got the design studio that's up and running, full service. Check that out, pretty cool. Right on our website. Got the review options here in store on our nifty little iPad, thanks to 4 and above. And then we have our Milan renovations that are going down. So check out all that stuff that I had mentioned, and look out for the Facebook Live event for Milan tomorrow. Thanks. See you later.